This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use the ChatGPT prompt generator for marketers, for emails, funnels, and high converting content. Are you tired of wasting time typing weak prompts into ChatGPT and getting robotic, generic content? Now you can skip the guesswork. This free ChatGPT prompt generator helps marketers, funnel builders, content creators, and affiliate pros generate high converting prompts for emails, landing pages, YouTube scripts, blog posts, you name it. I have it on here. Just tell us what type of content you want, who it's for, and what your goal is. And this AI prompt builder will give you a ready-to-paste prompt that actually works. Works for email marketing, great for affiliate offers and funnel copy, perfect for bloggers and YouTubers, designed by marketers for marketers. Now I'm going to give you a little breakdown on how this works real quick, and then you can check it out for yourself. The link's going to be directly below. And you can come on over and play with this yourself and see how well it works. With that being said, let's get started here. What kind of content do you want to prompt ChatGPT to write? And I got a drop down here, and it goes from AI generated like an email sequence, landing page copy, blog post prompt, YouTube video script, social media content, sales page copy, affiliate product review, lead magnet, or freebie. Pick one that closely aligns with whatever you're promoting, and then you can move on to step number 2. For this one, we're going to do for this demo, we're going to do affiliate product review. Who is your target audience? I got an example like real estate agents, affiliate marketers, SaaS founders, which is software as a service. For this one, I am doing an in-depth review of the newest Google Pixel XL Pro phone. This is just I have one of these phones, so we're going to do a review of it, get a prompt to write a blog post about it. What is your main goal with this content? We're going to do a scroll down here. You get to select a product or service. First option, build trust or authority, generate leads, educate your audience, get clicks or traffic, promote an affiliate offer, or warm up cold leads. And the goal of this one is going to be to promote an affiliate offer. We're going to click submit. And it's going to come up with our prompt. Give it a few seconds here. And here we go. Sure, here's a highly effective prompt for your needs. Now watch it. Look how good this is. Feel free to copy and paste this prompt. It says, write an in-depth affiliate product review for the newest Google Pixel XL Pro phone. Start by telling a relatable story about a common frustration people face with their current smartphones, such as poor camera quality, battery life issues, or slow performance. Then introduce the Google Pixel XL Pro as the ultimate solution to these problems. Highlight its standout features like the camera capabilities, battery life, and user-friendly interface while focusing on how these features directly benefit the user. Use emotional language to connect with the reader, emphasizing how this phone can enhance their daily life, capture precious moments, and simplify their tasks. Include a strong call to action that encourages readers to purchase through your affiliate link, making it clear they'll miss out on an incredible experience if they don't act now. Keep the tone conversational and engaging, ensuring it feels like a genuine recommendation from a friend. How good is that? All you got to do is copy this, go on over to ChatGPT or your favorite large language model, paste it in there, and you're going to have an excellent prompt to start with for whatever it is you are trying to promote. It also has a little 3-step little guidance here, tells you how it works. And with that being said, make sure you check out my AI Toolkit Vault on your way out. When you check out this tool, this is for free, and you're going to get a lot of cool stuff here. I'm going to leave a link to this directly below. I don't want to go through it, but you can see my screen. A lot of cool stuff here. But that's it. That's a ChatGPT prompt generator for marketers. For email funnels and high converting content, you're going to save yourself a lot of valuable time. I know a lot of marketers have a hard time putting together prompts. I like doing it, but it does take, it's time consuming. And what this does is going to save you a lot of time. Come in, fill out 3 boxes, hit submit. The AI does the work for you. I got an awesome prompt built into this, and it's going to give you an excellent prompt that you can go on over and paste into ChatGPT. So if you like this video, I appreciate it. I'd appreciate a like on it. And I'd appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. If you have any questions about this prompt or any questions in general, feel free to comment in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.